Hello guys, Flash with another video. Today we're going to talk about Safu or CEEZEE. I think that's how you say it, right? Yeah, let's get right into the video.
I just like the sound of it.
Today we're going to talk about Safu. So it's a meme-based geometric deflationary token. The aspect of the design is nice. I really like it. Let's get into the tokenomics of it. So it has 1 trillion Safu in total supply. 100 billion Safu was the seed sale. The public sale was 300 billion. There has been liquidated 200 billion of Safu. They have been allocated 80 billion Safu on marketing and partnerships, and 150 billion Safu for team and development. If you try to paste the contract address into BSC scan, you won't be able to, because something doesn't work with BSC scan. So they've made an add-on on their site where you can check the holders. So all the addresses. So there are 5,789 holders at the moment. I want to show you guys how to buy Safu. So all you guys need to have is a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet. I have MetaMask. You need BNB in order to swap Safu. So we're going to click on Max BNB as I have over here. The slippage tolerance must be on 7-8%. So we're going to see if it works with 7. I'm going to swap, confirm swap. It works with 7%. I'm going to click on confirm, close this, and the transaction should be almost done. So yeah, swapped for Safu. That's how easy it is. So if you don't have Safu in your wallet, you have to scroll down, add token, custom token, and grab the token address, the contract address. I'm going to grab it from PooCoin. I'm going to press on MetaMask, scroll down, add token, custom token, put it in here. So yeah, we have Safu. Click next, add token, and there you go, we have Safu. So as you can see, this has been updated. My holdings have 130 USD worth of Safu. They have a church swap, like RAG church swap. We're going to take a look at right now. So the much awaited RAG church swap is opening in a couple of days. Despite our first medium detailing some information about the RCS, we decided to change things up a little in a good way. As our very first RCS, we are opening the stage of any project that has been RAGed on the Binance Smart Chain. So they are trying to make an exchange where you can swap RAG coins to Safu. This is a very nice project. So to be eligible to participate, you need to own at least 200 USD worth of Safu tokens, be whitelisted, and prove that your loss was way more than 300 USD. So each transaction has a 5% tax fee, where 2% is burned, 3% is sent to Safu ecosystem reward. That's been it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications. All the links will be in the description. As I said before, do your own research. Flash out.